30.5 cm in length and 11.4 cm in width, and they are suitable for printing the most popular 11, 12, and 15 sublimation mugs, tumblers, and some ornaments. And their transfer color will be more vivid, vibrant after printing. This sublimation transfer sheet is used together with the cutting machine, and you can cut with the created design and then press it directly. And if you don't have the cutting machine, you can cut with the scissors for what design you want, or just print it on the cutting paper. Their printing result also marvelous. Before operating, you have to prepare the cutting mat, scissors, a resistant tape, a lint roller, and the tweezers, and this craft gadget. Let's go ahead and get started.